Karbi Anglong 2021. Congratulations. The judges have decided you as is talented. So congratulations. And Janik Award is for the Janik Award. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Hilton Tisopi. Is photogenic. This photogenic award goes to Pretty GP. Congratulations! Pretty GP, you secured this photogenic award. Can we have a big hand for Pretty GP, ladies and gentlemen? Award secured by Pretty GP at this point in time. Here's photogenic award. Is Best Personality Award. To do this honor, I would like to invite Urbi Rompi to please come to the stage and give this award. Kirmina Bongrumpi! Congratulations! Congratulations to Kirmina Bongrumpi for securing Best Personality Award. Congratulations. 2021! Alright, now to do this honor, I would like to invite three persons. 2021. The second runners-up award goes to Ormilin WP! Congratulations, Ormilin WP! You secured the second runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. And to do this honor, I would like to request Mr. Mahim Tirampi, and congratulations to her family, to her friends, to her siblings, and of course, this is a proud moment for her. As you can see, Mola Tirampi is giving this award, as well as Mahim Tirampi, Angchik Inti is also joining us and giving this award to Ormilin WP. Congratulations. First runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Mr. Molan Teron, and also the first runners-up of Miss Grand Karbi Anglong 2021 is Cecilia ATP! Congratulations, Cecilia ATP! You are the first runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. Congratulations. And to do this honor, I would like to invite Molan Teron along to our room to give this award to Cecilia ATP.